Hi guys, Retrocengo here. Now this was just an empty room for a year ago in my house, and now it's my game room. I got this big table over here, and I have my Amiga stuff here, Commodore 64 stuff over there, and as you can see, just an empty wall over here. I have a lot of Amiga games, so I just bought these. I will put them up here now and put some games on them. So let's do it. I just finished putting up all these 4 thingies from IKEA and from my house, from the floor to the top it's 3 meters, so I have a lot of room. I actually found out that in the box I have a lot of games, many games that I will get home maybe next weekend. They are stored at my friend's house. But in the box I found out I also have some Blizzard accelerator cards, and I have a card that I don't know. I actually didn't know I owned this. Look at this. This one is called Hawk RAM board accelerator for the Amiga 1200 with built-in battery. Oh my god. And an FPU. So with my games I actually also had some hardware that I didn't know anything about. Whoa, this one looks pretty nice. Yeah, with a RAM block here. A 1200 8MB with FPU. Oh, the battery is not the leaking type. You can see Motorola 8688 33 megahertz. Yeah, that's nice. And I also found a lot of books, manuals, and yeah, a lot of different stuff. Many of the games I have no idea. I mean, Lord of the Rings, I love the movies. SimCity I know from PC. Last Ninja 2, I love the Last Ninja 2 music. And Double Dragon, I played the Double Dragon a lot on the Amiga. I mean, I am not a game collector, but I really love the artwork. But I did not have these boxes just like any other Amiga player. I just had so many copies, also on the Commodore 64, tape and discs and all that. But I never saw the box art. I mean, look at this. It's Barbarian, Ghostbusters, Double Dragon. It's a mega mix. I mean, some of these boxes, they're just Operation Wolf. They're just great. And I also have some programs. You can see Deluxe Paint. Nothing that I want to keep in my collection in any way. Maybe I will keep 10 of these games. What is this? I mean, look at the graphics. It just looks great. Chamber of the Sun Mutant Princesses. And look at the artwork, man. I mean, I think I will keep about 10 of these. I mean, it's all sports games, no way. Programs, no way. What's this? Rise of the Dragon. Nice. Syndicate, I played that on my PC. Fields of Glory, I don't know. Noy once, I love that game. This, I mean, Frontier and Dune 1 and 2. Them I will keep, but a lot of other stuff, it's not that interesting for me. Also, I also have duplets of some games. Railroad Civilization, I will keep. Oh, looks nice. Pirates, oh, I loved Pirates back then. It was just an awesome game. What? This one says, look at this, guys. Demo only, not for sale. Gold of the Americans. I don't know, a prototype of some kind. Demo version. Not for resale, but no. Oh, this one, look at this. Lotus 3 Trilogy. This one I will keep. Mercenaries 3, don't know. What's this? You can see what's totally... Oh, Robocop 3, nice. Universe. I mean, the camera, you have to see the artwork in real life. It's incredible. Knights of the Sky. Oh, it's Larry. Actually, when I filmed some of my last uploaded videos, I show about a lot of Commodore stuff, and in those videos you can actually see that I get a lot of Amiga games, and I got so many mails from you guys on YouTube asking if I would film them. I mean, they all games are free to download and all that. I know, easy to get, but these old box art and manuals, and I've been asked if I will film them and show them, but I'm not sure how to do it. If I should take them out and take some pictures and make a complete video out of it, I don't know, but there were a lot of interest. Oh, this one was on a PC back in 95 or something like that. Incredible if this one can run on an Amiga. Yeah. And again, sports games, don't care. Sim Live, oh, everything with Arnold is gonna stay in my collection. SimCity 2000. I just opened another box with some Commodore stuff, Commodore 64 and Amiga, and we're gonna listen to some Gianna Sisters in the background. I hope it's okay. So I plugged in the, what's it called? 1541 Ultimate 2, and it had a 16 gigabyte of SD card inside, and oh my god, it's just filled up with games. So that's nice. I found a tape cassette drive here that I haven't seen before. It looks different, so I just want to show it to you guys. And what more? I got this. It's called Prologic DOS Classic, and it had tape over here, so this button was pushed down. Why? I have no idea. So it's got a through for the Commodore 64 of some sort, I think. I don't know what it is, but if you do, please write it down below. And it had this in the same box again. Proc. What's it? G. Yeah, something like that. I think it's for the Commodore 64 again. Oh, it's got a... Oh, okay, it can be put on a socket. But what it does, I have no idea, guys. So this video is all about the games. So we have, I have some cartridges here. This one is called... It's called Power Cartridge. The push button. Yeah. We've got a cartridge called Super Expander. And some dust. An accelerator card. No, I don't know. I have no idea. This one is something with 2 buttons. Another Super Expander. Nice. music composer. Yeah, some cartridges. This one is called Simon's Basic. Got some PSUs, I don't know. But more games, guys. More this one is heavy. More Amiga stuff here, which is great. And oh my god, I got so many books. You can see Commodore 3+1 Software Handbuch. Ja, ich habe eine Commodore Handbuch. Das ist sehr geil. So we got something in German here. No room. Okay, I have a lot of. So we have Commodore Exposed, Commodore Games book, some manuals, more manuals. 1541 manual, nice. Amiga, Vorvejledning Danish. Programmer's Guide for the educational games for the Commodore 64. Well, how does this work? Does it have some... Oh, it's got some coding. You can actually write this stuff and make your own games. Oh man, that's nice. Alright, I'm never gonna use it, so yeah, I will trade all of this books, all of these books. I'm not gonna read any of this. This is in Danish. Maskinkode. Commodore's hjemmedatomaten. Nice. Great arcade games on the Commodore 64. Oh my god, they're just massive books. Oh, I lost the game. Intersound. Commodore 64. Just some copy tapes, guys. That's why I don't get crazy about that. Yeah, we got a lot of books. I got a lot of Commodore 64 games like this on tapes. Like you can just push them out. So it looks like a nice collection. So let's look at some more games here. Weird Dreams for Commodore 64. More games here. And look at this, guys, one of my favorites. I'm never gonna sell this one. Dune 2, just like the one up here. What was it? Up here. So I have another one. Oh, wait! Wait. Look at the boxes. What? Look, guys. They're different, and I found out on the side here they look different. Okay, nice. Ah, yes. As I said earlier, everything with Arnold. Where's Arnold at? T2. Oh hell yes. I got a lot of requests for this game, the Three Stooges, if the box was empty or not, and one guy actually just wrote, "Take my money, I just want that game," and all that. Guys, it's got discs. I'm thankful I'm not in need of money, but 95% of all these games, I don't know them, I'm not attached to them, so I'm not gonna keep them. I'm probably gonna trade them because there are no reason they should just land here at my place and just be here for 20-30 years, I don't know. So other collectors can get these and be happy with them, no problem at all. But I will look at everything before you write some more. I will take a look at everything, and if the games are inside, the manuals are inside, and then we can make some sort of trades. I don't know the value of these. For me, the ones I'm after, I mean, a box like this is unvaluable for me. Like Dune 2, I mean, you can say 500 euros, I will not sell them. But other games, I have no idea what they're worth. I don't know. Oh, another Frontier. So we got 3 Frontiers now. That's nice. So I'm gonna keep Civilization, Colonization, Dune 1 and 2, and Terminator, and everything that has something with space on it, like Frontier. You can see something with space on it. I will keep them, but all the other stuff, no interest. Oh, I played this game on my PC. Is it an Amiga game or? Yeah, it's for the Amiga. Could run on 1 megabyte. This was a huge game on the PC. Oh, look at all those discs, guys. I mean, if you're into adventure games, I don't like adventure games. I didn't play them, but this one really caught my attention. Real nice game. And I got a lot of these tape games. You can see here, Dragon Slayer. Again, nothing I will keep. This was an awesome game on the PC. What more? We got something I don't know. Gunship I played a lot. This was an awesome game back then. I really like that. So we got a speed up. We got combat. Some boxing I don't want to keep. Zool 2 was really fun. Oh, this is a boxed, damaged box. Oh, that's a nice. I'm not gonna keep it. Another Zool 2. Alright. So we got a, what's this? Windwalker. I mean, look at the box art of this game. Not that because I have so big attachment for it, but I like the shiny gold thing on the edges. Oh, this must be, yeah. As you can see, I got Monkey number 2. This must be number 1. Yep, nice. So we got Dogfight here. Nice artwork again. Got the, oh, that's heavy. Final Rider. We got Carrier. I love these SSI boxes. Guys, what does this mean? Demo copy, not for resale. I mean, I have that on some of other boxes also. And as you can see, I got a lot of Commodore 64. Oh, Myth and Elite. A lot of tapes. And oh my god, it's Super Frog. Now, this is one of those boxes that I really don't ever want to sell or trade. Because Super Frog, I played that like crazy. Overdrive, it's awesome. Body Blows, we played 2-player against each other. That's a nice box from TM17, but wow. Sports games, Kickoff was popular, but no interest at all. History line, I have at the top there, another history line there. Okay, we got something called Flames of Freedom. Never heard about it, but it's got a nice box art. I mean, look at this 80s stuff here. It's great. The dual Test Drive 2. My friend had a disk drive for his Commodore 64, and this game was incredible, guys. What's this? Again, SSI. I love these boxes. I don't know the game at all, but one of my favorite Amiga games of all time. Again, the box art is nothing against the gameplay and all that. Cannon fodder, guys. Was awesome. So we got NASCAR. Oh, this one looks like, look at the box art. It looks like the Monkey Island. Oh, it's this company, Kix XL, that maybe made this kind of box art. Something called Loom, but yeah, a lot of games, guys. Yeah, I will. These games, they will come up here, and just take it easy. They will come up on sale, but I will put them out on my Facebook channel, Commodore 64, Amiga, Retrocengo. So come in and join my Facebook page, and there you can see some of all this hardware I am not interested in keeping. So we can I can sell them or do a trade. I'm most interested in trade with some Commodore stuff I can make a review about. So come in my Facebook channel and then you can see some of the stuff going up for sale. Oh, copy tapes! It was these tapes contained so many awesome games back then. Yeah, and also some cartridges. Yeah. Oh man, I can really hear the difference between this SID chip now, because this is one of the games I played so much, and I can really hear the difference. Alright guys, I just want to say thank you for your time, thank you for watching, share my videos, subscribe if you want, if you like anything with retro and Commodore, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed all this retro stuff. Until next time, play some Genesis, guys. Bye.